In the enchanting land of serendipity, there lived a young dreamer named Emily. With a heart filled with curiosity and a mind brimming with questions, she embarked on a quest to uncover the mysteries of life and find her place in the world. As Emily journeyed through meandering forests and crossed shimmering streams, she stumbled upon an old weathered signpost. Its fading letters pointed in different directions, each leading to a different path. One path, in particular, caught her attention. It bore the words, "The Path of Self-Discovery." Intrigued, Emily followed the path, her steps filled with anticipation. Along the way, she encountered a wise sage named Zenobia, known for her profound insights into the human spirit and the pursuit of self-awareness. Zenobia, draped in flowing robes, sat beneath a majestic willow tree, her serene presence captivating Emily. Eager to learn, Emily approached her and asked, "Dear sage, how can I find my true purpose in life?" Zenobia smiled, her eyes filled with wisdom. "A young seeker, your purpose lies within the depths of your being. To discover it, you must embark on the journey of self-discovery, for true purpose is intertwined with self-awareness." Emily's eyes widened with curiosity. "But how do I embark on this journey? Where do I even begin?" Zenobia gestured for Emily to sit beside her. The path to self-discovery begins with self-reflection. It requires quieting the noise around you and delving into the depths of your own thoughts and emotions. Emily listened intently as Zenobia shared stories of individuals who had embarked on their own paths of self-discovery. She learned that self-reflection involved asking profound questions, embracing solitude, and exploring one's values, passions, and fears. Inspired by Zenobia's teachings, Emily set forth on her own journey of self-reflection. She sought solace in nature, spending hours sitting by shimmering lakes and beneath starlight skies, contemplating the tapestry of her own existence. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months as Emily delved deeper into the recesses of her soul. Along the way, she encountered fellow seekers who shared their own stories and insights, guiding her on her path. One day, as Emily sat on a mountaintop, gazing at the vast expanse before her, she experienced a profound moment of clarity. It was as if the whispers of her soul finally found a voice. She realized that her purpose lay in using her creativity to bring joy and inspiration to others. With newfound determination, Emily returned to serendipity, eager to share her gifts with the world. She became an artist, painting vibrant landscapes and crafting enchanting stories that touched the hearts of those who encountered them. Through her art, Emily invited others to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery, igniting sparks of inspiration and kindling the flames of their own passions. Her art became a mirror, reflecting the beauty and potential within each individual. As word of Emily's transformative artwork spread, people from all walks of life flocked to Serendipity, seeking not only her art but also the wisdom she possessed. Serendipity transformed into a haven of self-discovery, where individuals gathered to explore their true selves and unlock the mysteries of their own purpose. And so Emily's story serves as a timeless reminder that the path to self-discovery is a profound and personal journey. It is a journey that requires courage, introspection, and an unwavering commitment to exploring the depths of one's being. As the sun set over Serendipity, casting a warm glow upon the land, Emily continued to create art that touched the souls of all who encountered it. And in each stroke of her brush, she whispered the eternal truth. The path to self-discovery is a sacred gift, waiting to be embraced by all those who dare to embark on the journey.